Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to yesterday in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, Monday, September the 26th, 2022. New week, new puzzles. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics we have here. One with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cijfer block. And the last one is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. And the 4 puzzles I will do are the 3 star Sudoku, the 4 star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Yes, we are back in big business. Because last Saturday we have no extra puzzles. So a whole weekend I decided to solve old puzzles. Yes, old puzzles. Anyway, 3 stars Sudoku, a number. This will be number 5233. 5233. Yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, the 3 stars Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, average time, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If it's really a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 2 3s. 4 4s. All right. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 5s. Wow. 1 6. 4 7s. All right. 3 8s and 2 9s. So the 4s, the 5s, and the 7s are in majority. Let me see if I can start with the 5. Well, let me see. Well. Will be difficult. How about the 4? Yeah, the 4 in the last column. The 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 4. Okay. 4 4. 4 4. 4 4. Okay. I cannot continue with the 4 now. Let me see with the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. You see here 7 in the last row, no 7 there. Here 7 in the row above, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, okay. Then. 5, okay. 4. 1 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 1 6 8. 1 6 8, 1 6 8, 1 6 8. We have an 8 in the 3rd row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and the 6. Okay. Alright. 1 6 and 3. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. So 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 in this row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. So 1 digit left. In this column should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1 and a 6. So here can it be 1 anymore? That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 6. So 1 digit left in this column for number 3. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and a 6. We have a 5 and a 6 in this column. So no 5 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 and the 6, the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 and the 6, the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row below. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row. The 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here or there. Here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Then. How about, let me think. 2, 3, and then 9. Yeah, I'm still thinking. 5, 5. 5. 5. Well, we have here 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in the center big square is the number 5. We have a 5 in this column. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in the middle row. No 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. What the 4 still no. No, 4 cannot move the 4. 7. 7. 7. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. 7, yeah. Cannot continue with the 7, need to wait. How about the 4 then? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, third column, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4, 4. Okay, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Here, 4 in this column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. Here, here, or there. We see a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. Here, 4 in the second column. No 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 5? Still cannot. 5, 5. No, 5, 5. I need to wait. Then. 9, 9. Yeah. I'm thinking. 7, 6, and 9. 7, 6, and 9. 6 and 9. Maybe the hidden numbers here. 1, 2, 2, 3, and then 9. 2, 3, 9. No. How about those 3 missing numbers? The 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. 1, 6, and 9. Well. Difficult. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing numbers in the second column. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. Here or there. Here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column. 2 in the second column. So third column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. 2. Well, 2 missing numbers in this row. 2 and the 9 are missing. I've marked this box with 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9, we have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Alright. And we have a pair. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. So the 9 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 9 and the 5, 9 and the 5, okay. Let me see how many minutes are past. 13 minutes already passed. Well. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this row, the middle row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. The 3, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3. Yeah, we have a pair again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row. So no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. We have also a 3 and a 5 in the middle column. So no 3 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in the last row. 1 in that row. So the row between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column. 1 in the second column. So first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, yeah, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. Yeah, 9. 9 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 now in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the first column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the second row. No 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. 1 box left in this big square for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2, 4, 6. I've marked these 3 boxes 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 in this column. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So 1 digit left should be the 2 here. Alright. 1, 2, and a 6. 1, 2, and a 6. Look, we have a 2 and a 6 here. So here can be a 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1, 2, and a 6. Okay. So we have a 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this middle column. No 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second row. So no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Almost finished. 2 and a 6. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 and a 4. No. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Wow. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. Because I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.